Welcome to SellerCenter channel. Today, I'll show you exactly how to find competitors' target audiences on Facebook ads, using SellerCenter's Facebook Ads Spy, one of the most powerful ad intelligence tools for e-commerce and dropshipping sellers. Have you ever wondered who your competitors are targeting with their Facebook ads, their age, gender, countries? What if you could see all of that without guesswork? Before we jump in, let's talk about why audience targeting matters. Facebook advertising works because of interest-based targeting. Facebook groups users based on demographics like age and gender, geographic locations. If your audience targeting is wrong, even the best creatives won't convert. That's why smart advertisers don't guess, they analyze what's already working. And this is exactly where SellerCenter's Facebook Ads library comes in. SellerCenter offers a powerful Facebook Ads Spy tool that allows you to discover competitors' active ads, analyze audience demographics, identify top-performing regions, reverse engineer winning ad strategies. Let's dive in and see how it works step by step. Step 1. Find a competitor's Facebook ad. Inside SellerCenter's Facebook Ads library, start by searching for a competitor brand or product keyword, such as shoes. Once you open an ad, you'll see the full creative, the ad copy, popularity, impression, ad duration, ad status, the platform it's running on, target region, language, creative size, page ID, landing page, and most importantly, audience insights. You can even download the ads for deeper analysis. Step 2. Analyze audience demographics. Scroll down to the audience analysis section. Here, SellerCenter shows you gender distribution. For example, you might see 58% male, 42% female. This instantly tells you who the ad is speaking to. You'll also see age distribution, broken down into ranges like 18 to 24, 25 to 34, 35 to 44, 45 to 54, 55 to 64, 65 plus. If most engagement comes from 25 to 34, that's your core buyer persona. Step 3. Identify top countries and regions. Next, look at country-region analysis. SellerCenter clearly shows where the ad is getting reach from. United States, Canada, Germany, France. This is extremely useful if you're planning to scale internationally, launch localized ad campaigns, or validate new markets before testing. Step 4. Check ad duration and scaling signals. Now look at the ad schedule. If an ad has been running for 7 days, 14 days, or even longer, that's a strong signal it's profitable. Unprofitable ads don't survive long. SellerCenter helps you spot winners fast. Step 5. Cross-check channels and placement strategy. In the ads analysis section, you can see whether the ad runs on Facebook feed, Instagram, Messenger, Audience Network. If the same ad runs across multiple placements, that usually means Facebook's algorithm is confident in its performance. Step 6. Turn insights into your own targeting strategy. Now here's the key takeaway. You're not copying ads. You're learning from data. With SellerCenter's Facebook Ads library, you can build custom audiences, choose winning age groups, target high-performing countries, match creatives to the right demographics. This dramatically reduces your testing cost. If you want to stop guessing and start running data-driven Facebook ads, SellerCenter's Facebook Ad Spy is the tool you need. You'll see exactly who your competitors target, where they scale, and which ads actually work. Try SellerCenter's Facebook Ads library today and uncover your competitors' audience strategy before spending your ad budget. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and check the link below to start spying smarter, not harder. See you in the next one.